And then here's a unique one. Was it because it was out of God's will for your life? And that is a problem of prayer, because it is in prayer that you're able to discern the Lord's will. You ever notice Jeremiah 29:11? I know the plans that I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you a hope and a future. But you need to go on from verse 11 to verse 12 and verse 13, because God begins to talk there about, I'll let you know this stuff that I know. I know the plans, and God says, I'll let you know it when you seek me with all of your heart. If you seek me, he says, I'll be found by you. But he says, I want you to want what I've got for you. I want you to be hungry for it. And so he makes us come and ask him. When you seek God with all of your heart, God will let you know. I really believe that the Benjamites failed here because theirs was a problem of poor planning and just quitting. So I want to ask you, what is it that you have failed at doing, but deep down you realize that you were able to do it? You're able to do it. You're able to do it.